Ready?
And we're back.
High five. High five. High five. All right. Like she said, we're back. It's not because we lost interest in the car. It's none of that. All right. She was spending a lot of money and time on her master's program, but now she's graduated.
Awesome.
I was spending a lot of extra time at work. That's now settled. And we found this thing at the LA Roadster show this past weekend. It came from a gentleman called Kenny Rhodes up from Big Bear. Said it's a solid block, just been resealed, yada, yada, yada. You know how buying engines goes, but it looked good. And this is what we want to convert to look pretty to go in Celyna'S 32 Ford Roadster. So in this video, that's what it's going to be about. Take this thing completely apart. Did I miss anything?
Also, this is my niece, Kelsey. She's here from Colorado, so she's going to be helping us because she's also really into cars.
Yeah.
She's going to help me out.
Kelsey's legit. She's done auto shop programs, worked on plenty of small blocks before. So I'm just going to be behind the camera and let them do their thing. If anybody's looking for a set of original GM headers, let me know. Pretty sure we won't use them. Probably glued on, so it's going to take a little bit of lifting. Just kind of finagle a little bit. There you go. You're on your way. There we go.
Got it? Yep. Okay.
All right, we made pretty good progress already. Of course, we can't take the intake manifold off because we need to pick up the motor. But now that it's on the stand, which is the sketchiest part of it all, we can take off the intake manifold. When I looked into the distributor hole, it had a little bit of crumb, almost like it was not blocked, even though when we bought it, it had an HEI on it. That's why I really want to take it apart, just to make sure there's nothing crazy going on. Oh yeah, and we got engaged. That's a good sign.
Yeah. Say hi, I'm Deuce. I'm the Deuce Meister.
Bingo.
Got a fast trigger finger.
And sometimes you gotta use your finger in there, in that hole. There you go, bingo, exactly. And then grab that rod out of there. Yep, just let straight out, don't drop that. And then I gasket too. If it ripped, it's fine. They probably stuck it on there is my assumptions. So I'll take it off with the blade instead, but get most of it off. Take it easy. It's done. Oh, good. I think it is drained. So that's good. It would have started spilling by now.
Good.
Keep going.
Nope.
It's cool.
Okay.
That's what the cardboard's for. Put those in.
The Grinch melted.
The Grinch melted.
Oh no.
I'm just supervising. The main reason we're taking off the pan is because it's the only way to find out whether it's a 2-bolt or 4-bolt main. Casting number alone won't tell you.
Makes it easy.
Guess what, ladies and gentlemen? We got a 4-bolt main. Bonus.
Yeah. Here's what I think.
Get on the other side now. There you go. Perfect. You're good now. The other thing that I'll probably buy, the other half, but I don't, compression checker. So we'll put some fake plugs in here, run a compression check on it too. Starter. Okay, so everything seems to be good. Free. This way we'll rotate, make sure all the valves are moving. Pretty good. Alright, so I'm going to start editing this video, and if it's enough for one video, we'll stop there. If not, part 2. But just in case this is enough, I think we got a really good start. Are you happy so far?
Yeah. It
So,
works.
nothing catastrophic.
Yeah.
We're at a good point now where we'll cover up everything. We'll start wire brushing all the loose paint. It's fresh paint, but we'll clean it up a bit. So she doesn't want the Chevy orange, she wants black. Right? And then we got a neutrals. That's right. These are fans of neutrals. And then we'll figure out if we want to go fancy with chrome intake and match the steel front and water front, or what we want to do. That's what Pomona this Sunday might be for. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.